Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Microsoft has released the Windows 11 22H2 KB5031354 cumulative update to fix security vulnerabilities. This is the first Patch Tuesday update with access to Windows 11 Moment 4 features. This update is a mandatory Windows 11 cumulative update containing the October 2023 Patch Tuesday security updates. Windows 11 users can install this update by going to Start Settings Windows Update and clicking on Check for Updates. As Microsoft started rolling out the Moment 4 feature update at the end of September, it started causing a search bug in the taskbar search magnifying glass to appear as a C letter. It seems that the latest Patch Tuesday updates now have sorted that issue and C letter search bug has now been fixed. As if I make changes, the search box won't have any issues. This means that when I changed search options, it will work smoothly and without any problems. Also, this Windows 11 cumulative update does not have a large set of new features due to last month's massive Moment 4 update along with new features. I hope you found this video helpful. If you have any queries, feel free to leave them in the comments section below. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more useful tips and tutorials.